Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the Seagull Dulcimer M4 Spruce. I've tuned this to G, some people tune it to D. As long as it's tuned for this video, that's all you'll need. We are tuned G, the string nearest your chin, D, the middle string, and the pair of strings on the bottom, G again. So, let's get started. In this video we will be covering the waltz time strum. Most of the songs you'll probably play are in 4/4, counting 4 beats to the bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. In waltz time we count to 3. So let's get started. We'll be using a G chord up here. There's several strums we can do and I'll go through a few of them now. We can do the most basic one, which is we strum down on the 1, then up on the 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, we're counting 3 beats to the bar. On the first beat, we're going down through the strings. On 2 and 3, we're strumming up. I am just using my first finger as well. Down, up, up, 1, 2, 3, down, up, up, 1, 2, 3, down, up, up, 1, 2, 3. So again, we'll do that again. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to strum 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That waltz strum we've just done is a very regimented waltz strum. It doesn't really have any swing. So now we're going to add some swing. For this one we're going to change slightly what we did. On the 1, we're going to catch the top G string, the thickest G string on the 1. I'm flicking it with my nail. So 1, 1. It doesn't really matter if you catch the other strings, if I'm honest, but if you can, just try and catch this thick G string. So it's 1. Then we're going to do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the count is 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and. Again on the 1, I'm catching that G string. On the 2 and 3 and, down, up, down, up. And of course you can combine the 2 strums. For this one I'll be changing the first strum slightly. On the 1 I'll just be catching the G string. So instead of it being 1, 2, 3, we will now be strumming 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, that's 1, I catch the G string, strum down on the 2, 3. Before we were doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to change that slightly now, tap the thick G string on the 1, then down on the 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we have that new waltz strum, we can combine 2 of them. So for the first bar we're going to do 1, 2, 3. On the next bar, again, so that's the first bar is tap, down, down. For the second bar, for the third bar, for the fourth bar. So 4 bars will sound like this. Again. Counting it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and. One more time. Well, I hope you found that video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. For more information on Blackpool Music School, look in the description below. Until next time, take care, keep playing, and goodbye.